insurance companies will try to twist their words. They'll record, they'll say it's for training purposes only, but they're not telling you that training purposes only means they can also keep that on file and use it against you down the line. And you're just, somebody's hurt, not paying as much attention, saying something that can be twisted to hurt them. Have you run into that like I have?
Oh, for sure. I think the one that sticks out the most, and this has happened more than one time, but the one that's really highlighted my memory was a client that had called us and said, hey, I talked to the insurance company and they're denying my claim. And I said, okay, well, what did you tell them that happened? And he goes, well, I called them, I outlined all the facts, this is how it happened. And then the adjuster kind of pushed me in this direction and said, oh, well, don't you think it was more like this, and kept suggesting. And then after he'd suggested enough, he said, okay, well, now I'd like you to, give a recorded statement, but just explain it like you just did the second time. And so then they turned the recorder on, he gave the statement like the adjuster had suggested, and they turned the recorder off, which was different than what he had originally told them because it was at the adjuster's suggestion. So when we got a copy of the statement, of course, none of the original conversation is on there, only the second one, which was at the suggestion of the adjuster. So they basically tricked them into saying something different than what the truth was so that it would help the insurance company, and then that's the only recording that they provided.